Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're doing absolutely well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install a software that is Python. So first of all, what is it? Python is an interpreted high-level programming language that is used for general purpose programming. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser. After that, you have to write that is Python download. And after that, you have to go for the official website of the Python to download a software. After that, you have to go for downloads, and here are some of the version available for it. So you have to choose the version according to your need. I have to download this. And here is some of the files. It may be according to your need. So I will just click on it because my system is for 64-bit. So I will download Windows 86 MSI installer. It's based on the operating system. Software is downloaded. So just click on it. Next. So the installation is started. Finish. So the software is successfully installed. So yes, it successfully installed Python. The version of Python is 2.7.1. So the security is successfully working on what? Print orders. Yes, it's working. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys will like this video. So just like it, subscribe it, and share it, and your friends. Thank you.